Today we are taking a break from reading Lightning Thief, Percy Jackson, to learn a little bit more about Chiron. And so the passage you had today was titled Chiron, the Wisest Centaur. It's very short. It's conducted like an interview between Hermes and Chiron. And as we normally do, half of it will be read to you. So I will read page 1. You are responsible for reading page 2 on your own. There are questions at the end, but do not worry about the questions. You'll have questions tomorrow, but it won't be these. It'll be not near as many. All right, so I will start reading to you the first page, and then again, you'll read the end. Centaurs are creatures that have the upper body of a human and the lower body of a horse and appear in various works of fiction in Greek mythology. One of the most well-known centaurs in Greek mythology is Chiron. In this fictional interview with Hermes, the messenger of the gods, Chiron discusses his life and his accomplishments. Hermes. This is Hermes, messenger of the gods, reporting from the Greek Mythology News Network, live from Mount Pelion. We're lucky today to be joined by Chiron the Centaur, the extremely talented mentor who trained many of the heroes we feature regularly on our show. Chiron. I've heard you had a challenging childhood. What happened and how did you get through it? Chiron. It is true. My early years were not easy. As a baby, I was abandoned by my parents, Cronus and Philra. My mother was disgusted by my half-human, half-horse appearance. Luckily, the god Apollo and his sister Artemis discovered me, and they found it in their hearts to take me in and raise me as their own. From Apollo, I learned about music and medicine. From Artemis, I learned about archery and hunting. With their guidance, I have been able to master all of these skills and more. Hermes. Fascinating. And thank the stars for Apollo and Artemis. What else do you think separates you from other typical centaurs? Chiron. Well, as you can see, my 2 front legs are not horse legs but human legs. This is a significant difference. Additionally, I enjoy wearing human clothes from time to time, something my centaur brothers and sisters never try. I embrace civilization. That's why I've been able to develop friendships with gods, goddesses, and humans alike. Hermes. Speaking of which, the hero Peleus speaks very highly of you. How long have you known him, and how did you make such a strong impression on him? And you will finish reading the story, and then there's assignment next.